In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Outlook Preview pane layout. This is perfect if you want to customize how you view your emails, whether you prefer the reading pane on the right side, at the bottom, or completely hidden. This simple adjustment can really improve your productivity and make managing emails so much easier. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Outlook application and look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a settings gear icon. Click on that gear icon to open the settings menu. Once the settings menu opens, navigate to mail, then select layout. This is where all your viewing preferences are stored. Under the reading pane section, you'll see three options: right, bottom, or hide. Choose your preferred position based on how you like to read your emails. If you prefer seeing your email list on the left and the message content on the right, select right. If you want your email list on top and the message content below, choose bottom. And if you prefer to open emails in a separate window without any preview, select hide. While you're in this menu, you can also adjust other helpful settings like focused inbox, message organization, and message list format to further customize your Outlook experience. Once you've made all your desired changes, scroll down to the end of the settings page and click the Save option to finalize everything. Your Outlook Preview pane layout is now updated according to your preferences, and that's it. You've successfully changed your Outlook Preview pane layout to match your workflow. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.